air conditioned, clean, TV, snacks, okay, free coffee, free Wi-Fi, drive-up service. Welcome to Tesla.
Stop trying to be good enough for people who ain't even good enough.
Full warranty. Pull it up here and just walk around until my car is the new 2024. It's a little different. It's not. It's a Tesla. Actually, my first time doing this ever in life. And if you come here, you can learn about your car. How interesting.
So let's take a look at what a car looks like.
There I have it. My car is ready for pickup. Tesla was so nice to repair my car under warranty and give me this loaner sport edition with free supercharging. I can go 200 miles a day and has white interior. Interesting. You know, when I had my Honda, I don't think Honda gave loaner cars for repairs, even though I had warranty as well. But that's one of the perks at Tesla. So while they work on my car, I'll be using this loaner car. I don't even know what year it is or what it is. It's a sport though. Free supercharging, yeah! Well, someone's paying for it.